Okay, it's been about 90 days and these potatoes are ready to be harvested. You can see the two on the right. These guys are starting to get all flaky too, but these two are definitely probably ready to go. Okay, I got my tarp out because I'm going to keep the dirt. This is the good dirt. You don't want to lose it. I'm going to dump it out. Oof. Look at that stuff on the bottom there. Not exactly the prettiest thing, is it? Alright, where's my potatoes? These are the golden potatoes. And we do have some potatoes in there. Not many though. There's the golden potatoes, y'all. Need a bucket. Need a bucket. I think if we would have planted them at different levels, we would have got more potatoes. But yeah, we're getting some potatoes there. These would be the golden potatoes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. The little baby ones. And some more under here. 15. A little tiny one. Yeah, I think when you plant these, put them at different levels and you'll get more potatoes. Because I did them at the same level, there weren't as many potatoes as I should have probably gotten. But I got all this dirt, I could do it again. I know it's going to be hard to get this out of the bag. Hey, there's all your dirt. Ay, ay, ay. See, this wasn't even used, but most of the potatoes just grew on the top because that's where I had them. You just gotta put next time put the potatoes at different levels and you'll get more. Somebody clean these up, let them dry for about 2 or 3 days, and then let them dry in a cold, dark spot. I have to look up what to do with them at this point. It's been about 90 days, by the way. 90 days and you get these little potatoes, golden potatoes. All right, let's put it all back in the bag. Oh, there's another one. They're hiding in there. So 15 potatoes out of 3 potatoes. So golden potatoes will definitely grow in Central Florida. Now, is it worth doing this? I don't know. This is just my first time doing it.